I'm Will Anderson and I'm a Spurs fan and a centre back, and I'm interested in being a full-time Hibs player from now onwards.
I'm Bert Trower, usually centre mid, but can play anywhere in midfield.
Play anywhere.
Also a Spurs fan, up the years, also very interested in being a full-time Hibs.
Today is midweek, friendly against SCC. So it's anyone who plays for the Hibs and other people come along. I think it would be a close game. It normally is. You're just playing on the Padang, so you're playing on one of the best pitches in Singapore, so it's always good just to do that. SCC, it's mainly they're all over 35s. It's quite relaxed. You can have a few beers afterwards. Enjoy the game, lads. Great picture.
That's a goal kick. Oh, there's a nice touch. And then here they come over the left-hand side. He's made himself enough space to create some danger here, and the goalkeeper watches the ball go safely over the crossbar. That's a long ball forward. And the break is on. And he's not afraid to take players on. Now, will he go all the way on his own? Good defending, and they've repelled that raid. He's using the space on the right nicely. He's cutting a path right down the middle now. And they try to find a way in from the right. And the danger subsides. Yes, he's trying to make the run through the middle. Oh, that's a crunching tackle. Well, a free kick from here could be very dangerous indeed. Oh, the crowd aren't very happy with that. Dispossessed. And they're picking the ball up deep in their own territory. Very confident play at the back. Here comes the counter thrust. Oh, carelessly given away. They're looking desperately for a way through. And he's looking to hoist one in from there. He'll be looking to pinpoint someone in the box. It's gone out for a throw. And I wonder if anyone will get on the end of this one. And here they come over the left-hand side. And the midfielders really take control. That's a long ball forward. And here's a chance to hit them on the break. They could be punished on the counter-attack. Looking for a killer pass here. And he's through! Goal! And they've taken the lead. Space here on the right. He's using the space on the right nicely. Now this could cause some problems for the defence. Good defending. This was an unnecessary foul. Oh, carelessly given away. This looks dangerous. Oh, and he's put it wide. Well, they had been thinking of making the goals wider. And here they come on the right. And that won't trouble the goalkeeper. The referee's blown his whistle, and that's it. We've come to the end of the match. They've won the game!
What a place to play. What an experience.
Amazing, amazing place to play your footy. First half I thought we were pretty decent. Knocked the ball around well, some good passing.
The soccer game was great. My cleats held up perfectly and we scored many points.
Second half was a complete shit show. Yeah, there's no formation, it's bad, but we won. You know, you got to dig in. Game of two halves. Yeah, that's about it.
Decent opposition. It's hard playing when you're 3-0 up after the first half, and I think you're quite obviously better than the other team. It's hard to stay motivated. So the second half definitely dropped off a little bit in terms of standard.
Who's Andy Tolman?
Hey, I thought Andy Toll was excellent actually. Real utility player, playing all around the pitch.
Yeah, the only bloke that could be offside 6 times in a game when playing at right back.
Any words?
Wear it.